Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we are back with our lecture about the coordination compounds, that is the stereochemistry of coordination compounds. So coordination complex हमने कहा इनमें मेटल होता है, पिछले बेसिक लेक्चर्स में जो हमने डिस्कस किया था, और उनमें लिगेंड्स होते हैं, ठीक. So this is the core structure और उनमें वो कॉम्प्लेक्स साइड होता है. एंड देन स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री हमने ऑर्गेनिक में पढ़ा, पर यहाँ पे भी स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री होती है. स्टीरियो वी नो दैट्स कॉल्ड एज स्पेस. So stereochemistry basically means when we have the a different, जब हमारे पास we have different arrangement of ligands in space, different arrangement of, जो एक कॉम्प्लेक्स में मेटल आयन कॉम्प्लेक्स में हमारे पास मेटल होता है और लिगैंड्स होते हैं. when there's a different arrangement of ligands in space, so we see that compound. So for example, एक ही when we have a compound, उसकी दो compounds है, for example compound 1 and compound 2, and they have same molecular formula. Let us say its structure is Ml6, इसका भी formula Ml6, means जो 6 ligands इसमें exactly 6 ligands are here. इसमें जो metal line है उसमें भी same metal line है, लेकिन दोनों में difference ये है कि जो arrangement of ligands space में वो different है. So if you have a different arrangement of the ligands in space with same metal line, we say that the two compounds are called as, they exhibit the stereochemistry, and those compounds are called as a stereoisomers. Fine. ये तो basics, that when we have two different compounds, the same molecular formula, but they have different arrangement of ligands in space, it's called as a stereoisomerism. And this phenomenon is called as stereochemistry. So this is basically the branch of the inorganic chemistry called stereochemistry. Fine. Now, why the stereochemistry arises? So why there is stereoisomerism? Why there is stereoisomerism? Why? इसका रीजन ये है, मैंने कहा था कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड्स ऑफ वर्नर थ्योरी में, कि जो सेकेंडरी वैलेंसीज है, secondary valencies, they are fixed in space, they are rigid, they are represented by the coordination bonds. For example, यहाँ मैं दिखा रहा हूँ एक मेटल लाइन के आसपास 4 ligands है, they are fixed in space. क्योंकि fixed होते हैं in the space, so they are rigid. So because of this fixed nature, this coordinate bond between ligand and metal, the stereoisomerism comes into the existence. So stereoisomer arises due to the directional nature, fixed arrangement and the directional nature. उनकी एक, चूंकि fixed nature होता है, उनका nature directional होता है. So it is due to the fixed nature of bonds and the directional nature. So the fixed nature and directional nature of coordinate bonds. Coordinate bonds with respect to the metal line. So they are fixed in the space, they are directional with respect to metal line. So because of these two factors, the stereoisomerism comes into existence. We have molecules with the same structural formula, but then different properties because of different arrangement of groups or ligands in the space. So this is called as the stereoisomerism or the stereochemistry. Now, this stereoisomerism is of two types. So this stereoisomerism ये दो टाइप का होता है. One is geometrical isomerism and second is optical isomerism, जो most common हम देखते हैं. अब geometrical isomerism में क्या होता है? Geometry में we have जो ligands हैं, they are occupying different positions. So they are occupying different positions with respect to metal line. ठीक? So here ligands are occupying so in the geometrical isomerism, the ligands are occupying different positions with respect to the metal line, with respect to the central metal line. इसके विथ रेस्ट में उनकी स्पेस में अरेंजमेंट डिफरेंट होता है. दैट इज ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमरिज्म. ठीक. एंड इन ऑप्टिकल, in optical we have the जो molecules दो होते हैं, they are non-super, they have a chiral center. First of all, the molecule has a chiral center. Chiral center means they have 4 different ligands attached. 4 different ligands attached. So they are L1, L2, L3. So there are different types of ligands attached. I'm taking the example 4 means if you have a complex, there's a 4 ligands. So I mean to say they have 4 different ligands, different types of ligands attached. So what it does is that, so the molecule, it makes the molecules which are optically active, वो molecules आपस में होते हैं, they are non-superimposable. Non-superimposable. They cannot superimpose. अगर एक को दूसरे के ऊपर रखा जाए, they cannot superimpose. They are non-superimposable on their mirror images. Mirror images. So they are non-superimposable on their mirror images. Fine. So ये topic we will discuss in separately the next class. As far as the geometrical isomerism is concerned, it can be of 2 types. So based upon the arrangement of position of the ligands with respect to settlement line, it can be cis isomerism, it can be a trans isomerism. So cis means when we have the ligands, they are adjacent. So when they are adjacent to each other with respect to settlement line, it's called cis arrangement. That molecule is called cis isomer. So when they are opposite to each other with a settlement line, it's called as a trans isomer. अब और cis और trans की बात है तो हमारे पास जो coordination complexes है, they are either of this type ML4 or they are of ML6 type, जो कि हमारे सिलेबस में भी है ML4 and ML6. That means metal with 6 ligands and metal with 4 ligands. Now, as far as metal with 4 ligands is concerned, इसमें we have 2 arrangements possible. One is molecule can be tetrahedral. Second is molecule can be square planar. और जो 6 वाला अरेंजमेंट है, we have only one possible, that molecule is octahedral. इसको हम सिंपलाइज करते हैं TD से पॉइंट ग्रुप में. ये थोड़ा सा मैं एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन ऐड कर रहा हूं यहाँ पे. इसको हम राइट करते हैं एज D4H कॉम्प्लेक्स. इसको हम ऐड करते हैं एज octahedral, that's OH. Now as far as ML4 complex are concerned, tetrahedral isomer, this complex will not show the cis-trans isomerism, while as the square planar complexes they show the cis-trans isomerism. Why? Because your tetrahedral geometry होती है, it's like this. यहाँ अगर सेंटर मेटल लाइन मान ली, this is ligand 1, another ligand, another. ये सारे के सारे ligand they are adjacent. So all these ligands they are adjacent with respect to each other. ये इसके रिलेटिव में होता है स्पेस में, इसके रिलेटिव में ऑलवेज कस. तो यू कैन नॉट हैव द डिफरेंट, और सारे के सारे बॉन्ड्स इक्वल होते हैं, सारे के सारे एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं. सो यू कैन नॉट हैव द isomerism cis-trans here possible. You cannot have the opposite type of arrangement between the two ligands. So the tetrahedral complexes will not show the cis-trans isomerism, whereas square planar complexes will show the cis-trans isomerism. For example, it's a square planar complex. L1 दो ligands एक साइड से हैं और L2 ligands are on this side. So this is called as similar ligands on the same side. This is called as cis. If they are on the opposite side, it's called trans. इसकी हम example करेंगे. So this was the basic class. In the next class, we'll take the example of the square planar complex, and then we'll also study the example of the octahedral complexes. And then after that, we'll move to the optical isomerism. Till then, this is enough about the stereochemistry of coordination compounds, that they basically are the compounds which have the same structural formula but different arrangement of groups, ligands in the space, stereo. space. It can be geometrical, it can be optical. So geometrical means when you have different positions of ligand with respect to centroid line. Optical means when they have a chiral center and then they are non-superimposable with respect to each other. Because of that, they have a property that they rotate the light in different directions, whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. And here they can be cis and trans, and then you can have 4 complexes, 6 coordinate complexes. If it is 4, you can have tetra, and you can have square planar. Tetra complexes will not, tetrahedral, they will not show the cis-trans isomerism, while as square planar complexes will show, and same is the case, octahedral complexes will show the cis-trans isomerism. And then we'll take the examples in the next class. This was the introductory class. This is all for the day.